Your price is too high. If you've been in sales for any length of time, you've probably heard this sales objection more than once. In this video, I'm going to give you the steps to answer this question successfully. And there's 3 steps you need to take in order to do this. And I'll also give you the words you can use. First, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified of any new videos that I come up with. So here's the process I use for answering your price is too high sales objection. There's 3 steps. The first thing you need to do is acknowledge what they're saying. You don't want to get in any kind of confrontation. It sounds like when the person says your price is too high, you can say something along the lines of, sounds like price is a big issue for you. So after you say that and say it sounds like price may be a big issue for you, they'll say, yeah, we thought we were going to spend less on this, or yeah, I'm not sure it's part of the budget. That may give you some reason. Say, I understand. Now you have to cushion it. And you will say something like, money is a really important consideration for most companies, and everybody wants to make sure they're a good consumer and spend their money or the company's money wisely. What you've done here is you've acknowledged it, you've cushioned it a little bit, you understand where they're coming from. It's called empathy. And all the great salespeople have a high degree of empathy. So you're empathizing with their situation. They thought they were going to spend less, they're kind of in sticker shock, maybe the budget didn't allow for it, but you empathize. Sounds like, go on to, I understand. So now you're easing your way to a question. You acknowledge, you cushion, and now it's time for a question. There's several questions you can ask. One might be, how high is too high? And they may tell you, well, you're about 3% higher than we had budgeted. Or we were budgeting 900 and yours was 1,000. Well, it's not such a big difference, but you need to know where they're coming from. Another question you could ask is, compared to what? What are you comparing us to? I just want to make sure that we're comparing apples to apples. And they'll tell you, and they'll also kind of give you an indication of the other companies that they're looking at. Another question you could ask is, what did you think that the price might be? This will get them to open up and tell you about it. Now, when they come back and say, well, we just don't have that much budgeted, say, okay, I understand. How much did you have budgeted for this project? Let them tell you. If you're given some leeway and range about what you can sell or maybe offer a slight discount, then maybe it's in that range. And you would follow with, well, I don't know if I can, but if I could offer you that price, are you willing to go ahead with your order? Goes back to another lesson we have on, is there anything else? So you want to not start an argument with your prospect just because they come with your price is too high. We acknowledge it, we cushion it, and we ask questions. Because the only way you get good answers is if you ask good questions. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you get past the your price is too high objection. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. It helps me, motivates me to create more videos like this for you. Thank you.